killing up grass too. My brother won't stay. I can sometimes hold my umbrella without me holding it. I'm checking the mail. Ooh. Ooh. I hope it's a good thunderstorm. I want a thunderstorm! I'm sick of this rain. I want a thunderstorm. Woo. I'm checking the mail. No, I'm vlogging. Oh my god, look at this. Look, I'm not soaked. Yes. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. That's a lot of water. We get a lot of water here in BC. Yeah. Hey, yeah. We get so much water, it goes down these stone pipes. We stand out in the rain just like this and wait for an igloo to pop up. We have one popping up right now as I speak. It's going to form, and this will be all us in next morning. Then we have to shuffle it all off. And this is actually our dirtiest driveway we have here. And next thing you know, lightning will start hitting that little spot, and an igloo will pop out. It's like rainbows and unicorns. Then we have a flashback from the house, and that's going to clean the house all well and dandy. This flashback is 100% flashback. Look at the thread. Isn't it gorgeous? You won't want to be out walking this. You'll get soaked to the bone. And the storm drains, they'll start overflowing. They'll start overflowing and coming right back down. Can you hear that? That's a lot of water. Just for many crops like our moss. Our moss is a delicate thing. Our moss is 100% moss without the grass. Now if we go totally just kill it. Well, I gotta get inside. It's too wet. Bye.